every 40 seconds, someone in the world has a stroke. Some survive and recover, some survive but live with life-changing disabilities. And tragically, some don't make it at all. But here's the big question. Are all the strokes same? And if not, which type of stroke is more serious? Ischemic or hemorrhagic? Alright, this question includes a complete picture of a stroke. You can easily identify what type of stroke you are living with and what clinical approach you need. Hello and a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can find detailed scientific information on health and wellness and natural and holistic treatment options. Today we are going to discuss one of the most critical topics in neurology, which is the difference between ischemic and hemorrhagic strokes and which one carries the greater risk. So let's begin. Well, before going into the types of stroke or which one is serious, let's first discuss what a stroke is. A stroke occurs when the proper supply of blood is disrupted in a particular part of brain, causing a lack of supply of oxygen and nutrients to the brain cells and tissues. This low supply of oxygen and nutrients in the brain leads to a brain damage in a matter of minutes, causing a sudden stroke or paralysis. Now let's move into the types of stroke. There are two types of stroke. The first one is ischemic stroke. It is caused by a blood clot blocking a vessel in the brain, which is most common type, accounting for about 85% of all strokes. Several reasons can contribute to the formation of stroke. They could be atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of arteries, arterial fibrillation, which is an irregular heartbeat causing a clot, or high cholesterol and hypertension. The danger of ischemic stroke is all about time. An ischemic stroke hinders blood flow to the brain cells, so with each passing time, about 1.9 million neurons are lost. So if the required medical care is not given on time, it may lead to a permanent disability. The second type of stroke is hemorrhagic stroke. It accounts only about 13% of strokes, but they are far deadlier. It is caused by a ruptured blood vessel in the brain, leading to bleeding in the brain. This not only deprives brain cells of oxygen, but also increases pressure inside the skull. Hence, this is more severe and serious one. The number one cause of hemorrhagic stroke is uncontrolled high blood pressure. Well, there are other causes like aneurysm, which are balloon-like bulges that rupture, head trauma, and certain blood-thinning medications. One more interesting thing is that hemorrhagic stroke is not simple. It has two types. The first one is an intracerebral hemorrhage. It is a type of hemorrhagic stroke that involves sudden bleeding into the brain's tissue, often caused by high blood pressure, and its symptoms are sudden headache, weakness, vision problem, and confusion. The second one is subarachnoid hemorrhage. It is a life-threatening condition caused by bleeding into the subarachnoid space, the area between the brain and the membranes that cover it. The most common cause is ruptured brain aneurysm, though traumatic head injuries and arteriovenous malformations can also lead to this type of hemorrhage. Now, the final question, which stroke is more dangerous? Ischemic or hemorrhagic? Well, from this video, you have already understood which one is more severe. But let me make it clearer. Unlike ischemic strokes, hemorrhagic ones don't usually have quick clot-busting solutions. Doctors often have to manage blood pressure, reduce swelling, or even perform surgery to relieve pressure. Survival rates are lower and recovery is often more difficult. Ischemic stroke is more common with lower immediate death rate. Many patients survive if treated quickly, though long-term disability can be significant. On the other hand, hemorrhagic stroke is less common but far more lethal. Mortality rates can reach 40 to 50% within 30 days, and many survivors face severe neurological damage. But don't worry, here is a good news for you. Stroke is easily treatable with holistic system of medicines. If you or your loved ones have encountered a stroke or are dealing with complications of stroke, then I think you should try homeopathic medicines, as homeopathy is side effect free and effective in treating the disease from its root cause. Bharat Homeopathy is a renowned face in the field of treating neurological disorders with years of clinical experience and knowledge. We are a team of experienced doctors who carefully analyze the patient's condition and clinical histories, prescribing personalized homeopathic treatments after thorough case taking. I hope you found my video very helpful. Please share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel and press the bell icon below to stay tuned for more health related information. Thanks.